What would you do if you looked up at the night sky and saw a massive, vertical beam of blinding light shooting straight down from the clouds, silent, steady, and unlike anything you've ever seen? Because that's exactly what happened across large parts of the UK. Social media exploded instantly. Aliens have finally come to save us. UFO landing confirmed. Something is happening and no one is explaining it. Videos poured in from London, Birmingham, Manchester, Wales, and even remote villages, all showing the same mysterious beam piercing through the night sky. No thunder, no power stations nearby, no planes overhead, just a silent, otherworldly column of pure light. And the truth behind the strange phenomenon is even more fascinating than the rumors. Welcome back to VibeVerse, your home of smart, viral, daily. If you love UFO mysteries, sky phenomena, space science, and mind-bending explanations, make sure to hit subscribe and join the VibeVerse family. Today, we're diving into the event that shook the UK and sent the world into a frenzy, the mysterious beam of light that had millions wondering, are we finally being contacted? Fact 1. The beam was visible across huge parts of the UK. Witnesses from at least 15 major locations posted footage showing the same towering beam of white gold light piercing through the atmosphere. This wasn't a small spotlight or a local light pillar. It reached so high into the clouds that it looked like a portal opening in the sky. In multiple videos, birds flew away from the beam, suggesting the light was extremely intense. Fact 2. It was not a thunderstorm or lightning. Many thought it was rare lightning, but the UK Meteorological Office confirmed no storm activity, no thunder signatures, and no ionized cloud discharges in those regions at the time. Lightning lasts milliseconds. This beam held its shape for minutes. Fact 3. Witnesses reported complete silence. Multiple people claimed the same strange detail. It was silent. No aircraft. No rumbling generators. No drone sounds. A powerful beam that makes no noise. That's what fueled the alien jokes and the conspiracy theories. Fact 4. The beam didn't spread like normal light. Most strong light scatter outward and fade. But this beam stayed perfectly straight, narrow, and focused like a laser coming from above rather than below. That's why people started calling it a sky laser or an energy column. Fact 5. Pilots reported seeing something too. A pilot flying near Manchester reported a vertical luminous structure cutting through the haze. Another plane near Bristol captured footage showing a faint outline of the beam from above the clouds. If the light was visible from the air, it means the source wasn't just on the ground, something was reflecting it inside the atmosphere. Fact 6. Scientists believe it could be a rare light pillar. Atmospheric researchers later suggested it may have been a very rare light pillar, caused when flat ice crystals reflect ground-based light straight upward. But here's the twist. Light pillars require freezing temperatures and bright ground lights. Some areas where the beam appeared had neither. Fact 7. Another theory, a satellite beam. Some experts think the beam could be a reflection from a high-orbit satellite, especially communication satellites with powerful directional lasers. These beams are normally invisible unless atmospheric crystals scatter them downward. This could explain why the beam looked like it came from the clouds rather than from the ground. Fact 8. Conspiracy theories exploded instantly within minutes. The internet had its own explanations. Alien landing beam, UFO tractor beam, Project Blue Beam is starting secret military energy test, viral marketing for an upcoming movie. People connected the beam to recent solar activity, UFO sightings, and government disclosures. The lack of an immediate explanation made the mystery grow even bigger. Fact 9. A second beam was reported hours later. Several late-night witnesses reported seeing a weaker second beam, almost identical, in a different part of the UK, making it unlikely to be a single malfunction or isolated spotlight. 2 beams, 2 locations, same shape, same color, same silence. Fact 10. The truth, a natural phenomenon, with an unnatural twist. After days of analysis, Scientists agreed the effect was most likely a rare combination of atmospheric ice crystals and strong directional lighting, but none of the cities reported a light source powerful enough to produce a pillar that massive. So what lit it up? What reflected it? And why did it appear in multiple places? This part remains unexplained. Conclusion: are we alone? We're just not yet ready. So, was it aliens? Probably not. Was it a glitch in nature? Possibly. But was it something rare, mysterious, and scientifically fascinating? Absolutely. The beam of light over the UK reminded us of one thing. The sky is full of wonders we don't fully understand. Sometimes nature behaves like science fiction, and sometimes science fiction becomes a little too close to reality. If this mystery blew your mind, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to VibeVerse, your home for smart, viral, daily content that turns curiosity into knowledge. The universe is talking. We're just beginning to listen.